The Baby BeeBee Bird by Diane Redfield Massie. Illustrated by Kellogg. Rawr! Pa. Ack, ackety, ack, ack, ack. Eat. Roof. Arga. Oh, roof. Sss. Abba, baba. The animals at the zoo had roared and growled and hissed and meowed all day long. They were very tired. It's 8 o'clock, yawned the elephant, and he settled down in his big hay bed. I've eaten 562 peanuts today, he said, but no one heard him. They were all asleep. The zoo was very still until... BeeBee Bobby, BeeBee Bobby. What is that? Said the elephant. It's the baby BeeBee bird, said the giraffe. He's new to the zoo. Well, tell him to be quiet, growled the leopard. I want to sleep. Be quiet, please, said the giraffe politely. But I can't, said the BeeBee bird. I'm wide awake. Quiet! Roared the lion. He's wide awake, explained the giraffe. Why isn't he tired like the rest of us? Moaned the bear. Aren't you tired? Asked the giraffe. No, said the BeeBee bird. I've slept all day, and now it's time for me to sing. Oh dear, said the elephant, and I am so sleepy. Quiet! Shouted all the animals. We can't sleep! BeeBee Bobby, all night long. The sun rose in the morning on a very tired zoo. What can be the matter? Cried the keeper. The elephant is still lying down. The lion's paws are over his eyes. The eagle isn't screeching. Oh dear me, the animals must be sick, he wailed, and he hurried away. BeeBee Bobby, said the baby BeeBee bird cheerfully, and he settled down for his morning nap. BeeBee Bobby. Shh. The lion whispered to the bear. I have a plan, he said. The bear nodded and whispered the plan to the others. The BeeBee bird was at last asleep. BeeBee Bobby, roared the lion. BeeBee Bobby, trumpeted the elephant. BeeBee Bobby, bellowed the bears. BeeBee Bobby, sang all the animals together. Quiet, said the BeeBee bird. Can't you see that I'm sleeping? It's time for my nap. BeeBee Bobby, yelled the hippos. BeeBee Bobby, shrieked the seals. BeeBee Bobby, thundered the moose and the water buffalo. BeeBee Bobby, they roared. The keeper kept running with his arms in the air. Something is wrong, he shouted. Something is very wrong with the animals. Whatever shall I do? And he jumped up and down with alarm. BeeBee Bobby sang the animals all day long, and the baby BeeBee bird simply couldn't sleep at all. The sun went down and the moon came up. BeeBee Bobby, whispered the lion, who was tired to roar. Bobby BeeBee, sighed the bear as he closed his eyes. BeeBee Bobby, mumbled the elephant half to himself, and then all was still. The moon shone down upon a sleeping zoo. Not an ear or a tail or a whisker moved. And high up in the linden tree, a tiny bird inside a leaf was fast asleep. And now every day at the zoo you can hear BeeBee Bobby Bobby, BeeBee Bobby Bobby in between the lines roars. Rawr! Pa, ack, ackety ack, eek! Oh, roof, roof. Arga, arr! Sss. Ralph! But at night, there is never a sound. Nighttime is really best for sleeping, especially for very little birds. The end.